Hey guys, looking for some cool new gadgets? We found a bunch for you. Today you'll see the most charming handcrafted lamp and something that might send you into a trip, in a good way. Then there's a whole set of most desirable items for any Star Wars fan. All the links to the products are given in the description below. Let's get started. This time we have some cool stuff provided to us by BZFuture. Let your imagination run free. Express yourself and improve your interior with LifeSmart Cololight Plus panels. These guys know what they do since LifeSmart Quantum Light won the Innovation Product Award at CES 2019. So first place the hexagonal panels together into any desired shape, then either fix them on a stand or mount them on the wall and connect the main module with any power source. After that, install a free Cololight app on your smartphone, and here comes the magic part. Feel free to choose one of the pre-installed patterns or create your own ones. It's up to you. The panels react to music of all genres in real time and transform audio into color and light for a stunning real-time audio-visual display. But it's not about the music only. The device is extremely easy to operate. Press a touch-sensitive controller and watch how the lighting changes. There are 3 color modes to choose from: selected, dynamic, and customized. Several color effects like breathing light and swirling add additional points to that special atmosphere. Well, you can actually do all that with your voice using either Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. It's also possible to set clean white light to focus on a project or gentle warm white to read your favorite book before bedtime. Yep, as you may have guessed, the brightness is also adjustable. Whatever the reason you get this thing, it'll create the perfect ambiance in any space and for any occasion. Since you're one of the subscribers, here's a special offer for you. Check out the description box and take a code that'll give you a discount. Hurry up! Our day depends on our morning routine, especially on the way we wake up. This alarm clock will take care of that. To make the moment of awakening more soothing, it's equipped with a snooze function. It gives 10 minutes buffer time to get all toasty and warm in your snuggly-wuggly little bed. By the way, you can set 2 alarms and different schedules. 30 minutes before the signal, the sunrise simulation light will gradually change from 10% brightness to 100%. This alarm clock has 7 different colors to choose from, plus there are more than 20 unique natural sounds that'll wake you up. But there's also a USB output for those who want to wake up with their favorite music or the FM station. Oh, when you're lying in bed, you can easily see the time on the wall, since there's a built-in projector for that. How convenient it is! Here's one more device to start your morning the right way. Shock Clock has 6 wake-up modes for you. Beep and vibration are quite common. You can use them both. There's also a jumping jack mode. Yep, the only way to turn the alarm off is to start jumping, or to scan a QR code in another room. If you're still in bed, enable the zap. If the vibration doesn't wake you up, the zap will. That's guaranteed. Special app with automatic sleep tracking will be aware of the quality of your sleep and choose the lightest stages to wake you up the most comfy way. The clock also comes with a special sleep course to plan your perfect morning and give some tools and resources to even improve it. Still got problems? Well, your friends and family can be involved to give you an extra zap in case you've hit snooze too many times. Well, there's a good reason to go to bed and get out of it on time. You'll earn volts, a digital currency, so there's a chance to become a Volt millionaire or Flash. Hey LEGO fans, old school is here. It's a 1-to-1 replica of 1980s Nintendo Entertainment System. It comes with a game pack, a controller, and a TV. It looks so real. Just take a look at the lip in front of the lid and the ports around the control deck. Of course, you can open the lid to insert the game pack. It has the push-push mechanism to go down and come back up again. The replica of the controller is also precise. You can plug it into the control deck. As for the TV, it's pure nostalgia with wood veneer, chunky controls, and that giant sticker on the back. Are you surprised with the scroll? Okay, it's time to tell you a little secret. The scrolling mechanism moves a belt with an infinite loop inside the TV. As a result, you see Mario running and jumping through level 1-1. On top of the TV, there's a special lid that you can actually pop off and put one more Mario. But you need to get it before. As you scroll through, you'll hear the sound effects and the original music. Get ready to smash your enemies, and don't forget to collect that power-up mushroom. If you're into optical illusions, you'll definitely like this gadget. The whole construction looks quite simple, but math laws do the magic. When you swirl it, a cascade of waves with all these mesmerizing patterns appear, and a reverse snap brings the device back to the initial flat square state. 21 rods are precisely calibrated to limit the gadget's movements to a specific angle. Square Wave is made of steel, so you can use it in and outdoors. Since it comes with accessories that allow you to hang and display your piece of art, it'll be an amazing decoration for your garden, patio, and living room. Or it may become a cool, relaxing kinetic toy, if you decide to play with it. Cool. When you combine beautiful lighting and sound, a good mood is guaranteed. This speaker is one of a kind with its truly unique design. Although it seems to be broken in half, these parts actually come together to form a perfect semisphere. The textured natural sand on the outside feels like you're holding a piece of nature in your hands, while the hard inner shell provides durability and precision. The speaker boasts Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and a 10-watt amplifier that delivers great, clear sound. Thanks to the built-in noise-canceling microphone, you can answer calls directly from the speaker. The touch-sensitive panel makes all the controls really intuitive. As for the light, it supports 4 different brightness levels. Since the speaker's portable and rechargeable, the package also includes a handy magnetic charger. This is the best thing to have at your nightstand. Now, this is one of the most psychedelic things you can imagine. You probably think there's complex computer graphics involved, but in fact, it's just a kaleidoscope. The person behind these has studied stained glass for 15 years before he started creating his own images and mirror systems. This one, for instance, is a big one, measuring 16 inches in height. It only uses 3 glass sides to create this amazing variety of beautiful patterns. There's a clear marble at the tip of the kaleidoscope, which makes it all perfectly visible for the viewer. Aside from the glass, there are also some beads inside, which create additional effects when moved. It's useless to describe. You have to see it for yourselves. Sometimes a regular photo or video isn't quite enough to capture the moment in all its beauty. That's when this VR cam comes into play. It provides high-quality 360-degree footage by combining a set of 17 action cameras. The system is based on Google's software platform called Jump. It allows the cam to stitch all 17 angles into one seamless video. There's even a special camera on top that looks at the sky. This thing is capable of shooting extra crisp 8K video with great color accuracy, and it's perfect for sunset time lapses. Considering these incredible capabilities, the cam is fairly compact and lightweight at just 7.7 pounds. Operation is also really simple with the large touchscreen display, or you might control the cam remotely through a mobile app. It's no harder than a GoPro. And here's the favorite piece of tech for every Star Wars fan, a lightsaber. This particular one was used by Darth Revan in the Old Republic. Now you can get it too. The model is completely 3D printed with great attention to detail. The built-in LED features a variety of vibrant colors, which are easy to switch. In addition, there are some loudspeakers which provide the lightsaber with authentic sound effects. Another great option is this custom lightsaber called Jade Fire. Although this one is all purple, it still keeps the sleek and durable all-metal handle as well as the classic waving sound. The central backlit button allows you to quickly adjust both the brightness and volume level. Last but not least, there's this beautiful lightsaber with custom etching. Made of premium materials, it looks great even when you open up the handle to access internal components. You can either change the color or pull out the SD card here. These models are certainly more than just toys. If you're not really into lightsabers, there's another Star Wars item for you. Holocrons were used in the Star Wars universe to store the most important data, and this one is no exception. While featuring the recognizable shape and ornaments of the original Holocrons, this thing is also completely functional. Inside the Holocron, there's a high-speed micro SD flash card. The basic version is 64 gigabytes, but it's expandable up to 1 terabyte. You won't need the Force to transfer files, just a USB cord. The model is made of anodized aluminum and glass that lets you see the pattern inside. When you plug in the cable, the device starts glowing from the inside. The blood red color immediately shows this is a Sith thing. Wait, we have yet another gadget that'll bring you closer to the universe that's far, far away. If not a lightsaber, then you should get yourself a decent blaster. This one's powerful enough to be used by actual troopers. It's made of metal and includes a variety of functional components: a scope, large folding stock, and removable magazine. Everything's just like in a real weapon. Thankfully, the blaster doesn't shoot, but it lights up with either red or blue color and makes the typical blaster noises. You can easily customize it by pulling out the SD card and loading your own sound fonts. Your enemies won't stand a chance.